From class 7th A, wishing you a very auspicious morning to Honorable Principal Ma'am, respected teachers, and all my dear friends and teachers. Our today's topic is about global warming. This climatic condition is most in our planet Earth. So now, Anushka will tell us that what is global warming. Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Anushka Hura from class 7th A. Now I will tell about global warming. Greenhouse effect and deforestation are the biggest causes behind global warming. Earth is a beautiful place for humans. It has affected the environment and whole atmosphere and has resulted into the hugely climate change in the Earth climate system. Because of global warming is observed in the recent past year. Thank you. Thank you, Anushka. Lavanya, do you know that nowadays by global warming increase burning fossil fuels, electricity at high level and also heat by burning fossil fuels causes a large chunk of global emission. Thank you, Ashna, for explaining me. Ashna, as Anushka explained us before, that it increases the temperature level, so how we can avoid this global warming? So sorry, Lavanya, I don't know. Let us tell about this. Let us ask it from Arpit.
Good morning, Principal Ma'am, respected Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends, juniors and seniors. I am Arpit Singh Thakur from class 7th A. Today I am here to say how we can avoid the global warming. First, save energy at home. Second, change your home source of energy. Third, walk instead of taking public transport, example, bike or car. Throw away less food. Point 5. Switch an electric vehicle. Point 6. Eat more vegetables and also grow more trees and plants. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Lavanya, do you know what it is happening around us?
No, sorry.
So let us ask from Himanshi.
Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Today I am Himanshi Dukani from class 7th A. I am standing before you for news. News headlines are: first, India Brands has been labeled. The Commerce Ministry of India has directed all e-commerce companies to remove the hybrid category from their platforms immediately. Second, Elon Musk's expected visit to India. Sources suggest that Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk is expected to visit India this week. Third, IIT Bombay placement goals. A recent report reveals that 36% of IIT Bombay students are struggling to find placements, raising the concerns about increasing unemployment. Thank you and have a nice day.
Now I would like to call Aditi for a motivational thought.
Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, teachers and one and all present here. I am Aditi Agarwal from class 7th A, going to recite a thought. If you really think that environment is less important than economy, try holding your breath while you count your money. I repeat my thought. If you really think that environment is less important than economy, try holding your breath while you count your money. Thank you. Have a nice day.
So now we are ending our today's assembly activity with the song.
No, Ashna, you forgot something. You forgot about the word of the day.
Okay, sorry. So for word of the day, I would like to call Gayak.
Respected Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends and seniors. Today I am Gayak Jain from class 7. Here I am to say the word of the day. So today the word of the day is biodiversity or the biological diversity. The spelling of biodiversity is biodiversity. The meaning of biodiversity is various or the variability of life on the earth. In Hindi, Jai Vivita. Thank you and have a nice day.
Lavanya, do you know that entertainment is also be there?
Yes, Ashna.
Comes from knowledge, wisdom comes from living. With this line, we would like to end our today's assembly activity.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Based on global warming. Today's assembly activity is prepared under the guidance of respected Ragini ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.